Minister in charge, Revenue and Disaster Management Kirman Shila, while replying in the Assembly on Tuesday, said 2,426 people and organizations were allotted land as revenue land. Opposition VPP legislator from Nongkrem, Arden M. Basayaumot, questioned how can people from Bangladesh sell away the land in Rinja provided to them during the 1971 Liberation War. Basayaumot also asked if any revenue land has been allotted to members of the August House or their relatives. The minister said there is no information on this. Leader of opposition Ronnie V. Lingdo sought to know whether any revenue land is being alienated due to illegal encroachment. In his reply, the minister said that there are some people who are trying to encroach and have gone to the court, but we stick to our stand that these lands belong to the government.
Is there any land that has been allotted to member of this August House or relative of the member of this August House?
Whenever we allot any land to any person, provided he has all the documents required, and then we follow all the rules as per guided by the Land Transfer Act. So if the person, for us, we don't have any notice knowing that a person is belonging to the family of the August House, but for us, our concern is that whenever we transfer any land or lease the land, it has to be proper guided by the Land Transfer Act, sir.
So may I ask from the Honourable Minister, are there any land, revenue land, being encroached illegally by illegal settlers?
When it comes to any encroachment by individuals to the revenue land, so then this, the procedure needs to be followed. It goes to the court, and if the court give the orders that this land belongs to them, then we have no claim. But most of the time from our side, sir, we make sure that none of our land, especially the government land, will go to the individuals without having a proper documents. And we make sure, sir, that we'll protect our land, not only the government land, even the scheduled land. That is our priority, sir.